Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is not your first time with me, then hey, I'm doing this all backwards every single time. If this is your first time, then hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. I know you did not have to click on me. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the ring bell. I will support you back. As always, I sure will. And today we are doing basically kind of a review, a try on, a test of some lighting. But I want you guys to see this palette that I got from UCANBE, and it is actually a dupe of something. And if you want to see the look that I created, how I created it, which I think is gorgeous. If you guys want to see how this was made and what these colors look like, you guys know the drill. Keep on watching and I'll be right back. So I'm trying out some new lighting today, and honestly I really don't know how it's going to turn out, but hopefully it'll be okay and you guys will be able to see everything I'm doing, because when I get this will be the first time I'm using this palette that I'm going to show you, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. But I'm hoping that it will turn out okay. And this is called the Rhythm Palette by UCANBE. And this palette is a dupe of, from what I can see, the Prism palette by ABH. So this is what the palette looks like. It is really cool on the outside. It's like this, I don't know, like a disco. It's got like a disco vibe. So when you open the palette, it's got a mirror and it's got a sheet. And I haven't used this, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so the colors in this, the names of the shades, I am so freaking, okay, so I'm going to tell you guys what the name of these shades are. Okay, they are really cool, really cool. You guys can see on the inside here, it's got these little, it looks like a tape player on the inside. It's got these little arrows. It's super cool. Anyways, okay, so this is called Famous. This is like a pearly white. This is called Shook. This is like a peachy color. This is like a skin color. It's called Gin and Juice, and it's matte. And this is called Truffle Butter, and this is like a shimmery brown, cool brown. This is called Heartless, and it's a shimmer, and it is like a purpley. I'm gonna use it today. This one's called Runaway, and it's like a chartreuse. This one is like a black charcoal. It's called Lockdown. This one down here is called Bougie, and it is like a shimmery purple. This is more of a dark brown. It's a little bit warmer. It's called Trust Issues, and this is a very light gold. It's almost like a sun-kissed gold. And this is called California Love. As you guys can see that this is like a shimmery gold brush, so you guys can see like the difference in the color. So it's almost like a sunflower. I would say sunflower gold. This next one is called 5 on it, and of course it is a beautiful green with like this beautiful shimmer flakes in it. I'm gonna try to use that one too. This is like an orangey matte. I don't know, like a rust color. It's called Run This Town. This one is called Rehab, and it is like it's like this color except shimmer. And then this last one is called Necked or Naked, Nekked, N-E-K-K-E-D. I don't know if you guys can see the names. They're super light on there, but this is the palette close up. You guys, how beautiful is that? Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start doing a look with this palette. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. And I'm just going to go through it like I normally do with all of my palettes, and I'm going to show you guys the color I'm going to be using, and then I'm just going to do it in fast forward. So I'm going to start out with the transition, and I think I am going to use that naked or necked color first, so I'm going to do that with this brush. You guys, I just can't explain to you how amazing UCANBE shadows are. For the price and what they are, I mean, they are just beautiful shadows, and they're so pigmented and so gorgeous. And I just love them. I am absolutely in total infatuation and love with UCANBE shadows. I mean, you guys, I mean, the pigment on that is just gorgeous. I'm going to go in with this Gin and Juice color right here. And I'm going to blend that out, blend what I just did out. So I'm going to take a smaller, like blending type brush. This is my Vasanti. This is the Vasanti contour eyeshadow brush, and I love this brush. I haven't used it in a while, but I feel like it needs to be used, and I think I want to go ahead and start dipping into some shimmers. I know it's early, but let's go ahead and dip into some shimmer and go on. I got the 5 on it. Yes, I can't sing because I'll get a ding, but you guys know I will be singing that song. I'm singing it in my head right now. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. It has a little bit of fallout in it, which I don't mind fallout if I get these kind of results. I really don't. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I'm going to blend out the top edges up here just a little bit, because this is a shimmer. Okay, this is a shimmer, and it is beautiful. It's just like, it's this green color that has this reflect on it. It's so gorgeous. It's just a great formula, and they're all pretty consistent. I mean, there's not many palettes that I've come across with UCANBE that there's any inconsistency with, like as far as you know, the mattes being better than the shimmers. The only one that I've had a little bit of inconsistencies with is the new one, the Huda Nude Dupe. So but that wasn't so inconsistent that it was like horrible. It was just inconsistent as far as what I'm used to with UCANBE. So I'm going to start going ahead and carving this up. Because I am trying to lift the eyes this morning because they are looking a little ragged. So that is a good way to do that in a fast manner. Okay, I'm going to take this brush. It's the SL Miss Glam, and I'm just going to go in with this beautiful Heartless color, and this is this purple shimmer, and I'm going to coat the lid with that. So this is going to be basically like an all shimmer look. So it's going to be dark too, so So now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go into this color here, and this is the Bougie color, and we're going to put Bougie all on the inner portion of the lid. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful look. All right, I'm going to take the Gin and Juice color, which is that bone color, this one, and I'm just going to kind of run back through here, just kind of blend all this together. I'm going to take just one of my little flat definer brushes, and I'm going to pull that green color, the Gin and Juice. Beautiful. God, that's a beautiful color. I'm going to pull that down here on the lower lash line. We're really close to the lash line. And I'm also going to put it right here. Kind of feather it out. This is what I mean when I don't use the right brushes for the right things, because I totally use the wrong brush for the wrong thing all the time. Okay, so now I'm going to take let's see, like a pointed like pencil type brush, and And I'm going to go into the Heartless color, which is the purple that I used, that purpley shimmer. And I'm going to smudge this out on the bottom as well. We're going to put on a really, really a cool liner with this look. I want that purple to run all the way on the inside of the lid, the lash line. Okay, so there is like a super bright white in this, and I want to take, let's see, I'll use this brush. This is my E30, I think, my E30 pencil brush, and I'm going to take the color Famous, and that's this super white bright color here. I'm going to run that on my brow bone, and I'm also going to run that as a inner corner highlight. I can do all kinds of stuff with this palette right here. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. Okay. So as of right now, I am good with as far as my look. I have to put some liner on. Okay, so this is the Dupe Ultra Precision Eyeliner in this light, super light blue. So what I want to do is I want to run this along the waterline on the bottom. And the top. I think I'm going to run a little bit of black on top, just a little bit, just to give it a little definition, especially over in on the outer corners. So I'm just going to run a little bit of black there. I don't want to wing or anything. I'm just going to tight line. I'm going to tight line my lid here. So I'm not putting any lashes on today. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't want to waste my lashes, even though I do want to try the Lily lashes. I just don't want to waste them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara first. And I put that on my lashes because that really just like separates the lashes and makes them super, super defined. Okay, and then I want to go back over them with this Snapscara. I'm in love with this Snapscara, you guys. I absolutely love it. I think it is gorgeous. It is this beautiful blue color mascara, and I just love it. So I'm going to start on the bottom lash line. And I figured out this is the best way is to use it as a topper mascara because it is the best way to showcase the color and not make it so, like, actually make my lashes look a little bit thicker. And it just turns into this beautiful navy blue. As opposed to like a royal like this. Like it turns into like this beautiful navy blue. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I love it. I'm loving it. I need to get some highlighter on this face. Why have I not highlighted my face? I don't know. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back with you guys, and we will see the finished look, and I'll throw a lippy on, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look with my eyes. I think it's beautiful. I think it turned out beautiful. I'm going to come in close so you guys can see this palette just performs amazing, and it looks beautiful on the eyes. You can see that blue shimmer and just that green and that blue and that purple kind of melting together. And the whitish gold on the inside with a little bit of that purple. I think it's beautiful. Alright, so this is a color that I saw my friend get in her Gerard Cosmetics Love Box, or one of the mystery boxes. This is called Enchanté. This is what it looks like. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it will look really beautiful with this, what I have on today. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this beautiful color. I don't remember these smelling. There, do you guys have any of these that smell, the bullets? Sisters and brothers, let me know. Because that one smells. But this is what the swatch looks like of it. It's very beautiful. It's very deceiving. like you see it in the tube and it looks like it's going to be one color, but then when you put it on your lips, it's a totally different color. So it's just gorgeous. I think it's beautiful with this look. And I believe that this, yeah, and this is definitely one of the more like the satin type. This palette is absolutely amazing. This palette was only $6.50 on Amazon. I will leave you guys the link. Y'all know Amazon prices change within you know, 50 to 60 cents every day, but I will leave the link on this down there below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you guys think of the look? Do you like it? And my Gerard sisters and brothers, let me know out there if you guys have this Enchante color, and let me know if it smells. This is the first time I've used it, so let me know if it smells, because mine does. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and hit the ring ding bell. I will support you back, you know I will. And as always, I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.